shift toward artificial intelligence is moving so fast that companies failing to adapt are watching their core operations go dark. Many attempts to bridge this gap fail at the starting line. Roughly 80% of enterprise AI proofs of concept never reach production, trapping organizations in pilot purgatory, a cycle of expensive, isolated experiments that never yield a return. This gap is driven by a 10 times utility difference between a casual user and a professional who has deeply integrated AI into their core workflows. This disconnect is fueled by executive blindness. While 75% of C-suite leaders believe their generative AI adoption is successful, only 45% of their employees agree. In some organizations, leadership estimates of operational reality differ from the truth by as much as 1,600%. This lack of clarity results in staggering waste. Companies currently lose an estimated $353 billion every year on stalled initiatives and siloed vanity projects. Organizations remain stagnant because of motivation gaps and deep-seated inertia. Teams with high AI skill density are already outrunning those still treating the technology as an R&D experiment. Connecting business strategy to technical execution requires a human API. In software, an API, or application programming interface, is a bridge that allows different systems to communicate. Here, that bridge must translate corporate objectives into engineering compute. Elias Couloris fills this role as a C-level AI strategy consultant. He brings a 25-year track record of navigating the space between high-level creative vision and technical implementation. His methodology is informed by a neurodivergent profile. The combination of Asperger's and ADHD allows for rapid pattern detection and the ability to organize complex systems at a speed traditional consulting teams can't match. He uses first-principle systems thinking to solve these problems. This involves deconstructing a business challenge down to its most basic, undeniable truths and building a novel solution from that foundation. This holistic approach unites the skill sets of an award-winning creative director and a certified data scientist. Data science is the field of study that uses domain expertise and programming skills to extract meaningful insights from raw information. Elias functions as an anomaly in the market. By engineering systems centered on human adoption, he delivers functional tools that move beyond the limitations of standard marketing agencies. Moving from a pilot to full production requires managing a complex web of parameters. This map shows the enterprise AI ecosystem. Deployment requires compliance-grade guardrails. To bypass the typical 18-month development cycle, Elias uses a 72-hour Gen AI MVP sprint. Elias builds systems that adhere to the EU AI Act, the world's first comprehensive legal framework for AI, and the GDPR, which is the European Union's strict data privacy regulation. An MVP, or minimum viable product, is a version of a tool with just enough features to be usable by early customers, who can then provide feedback. The results are measurable. During the COVID lockdowns, he saved a Berlin SME by inventing pay-per-view streams, mitigating a 95% revenue loss with zero initial investment. For the 13-country launch of Kobe e-bikes, his strategy helped secure €9 million in VC, or venture capital, funding, leading to an acquisition by Bosch. He also architected an AI-powered retail chatbot for Samsung, providing instant product information to over 7,200 German B2C shops. This methodology transforms technology into verified, audit-ready financial impact. This chart tracks the exponential rise of effective compute, normalized to GPT-4. We are moving from the capabilities of a preschooler toward a vertical climb fueled by automated AI research. As AI begins to automate the research process itself, the speed of development is decoupling from human limitations. In this environment, organizations with high AI skill density will dominate. Those that remain risk-averse will find it increasingly difficult to catch up to competitors who have integrated these systems. To bridge this gap, Elias provides targeted executive upskilling. This is a practical roadmap designed to move leadership teams from curiosity to professional integration. AI is no longer a peripheral experiment. It is inevitable infrastructure. Organizations must treat it with the same priority as electricity or high-speed internet. This map, the Cognitive Bias Codex, shows the complexity of human decision-making. Starting the transition requires a thorough audit of your internal information flow to identify beachheads, specific areas where AI can immediately reduce the time spent on coordination and synthesis. Integrating a human API is the most efficient way to navigate this shift. To dominate your market, you must move beyond the pilot phase and into production today.